Hello family and friends. Today I'm going to do a gourd for a friend of the girls who has just relocated to another state, and she loves Celtic anything. So I found this Celtic cross, but it's also a symbol of friendship. So when we get this all done and painted, and I'm going to do embossing powder on this as well, all the girls are going to sign it, and they'll just sign all over the body of the gourd, and then I'll seal it, and then Toby is going to take it back to her, or maybe we'll ship it, we don't know yet. But anyhow, this is where I'm going to start, and I'm going to start by drawing it using my number 2 pencil, and I'm just going to get to it, and we'll fast forward through all the drawing because you don't need to see me copying this design onto the gourd. I do have carbon paper underneath, and I did download this off the internet, and then I'll show you what the next step is when we get there. But for now, I'm just going to be drawing the outline on the gourd. Okay, I finished tracing the design on, and I removed the pattern with the carbon paper. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go outside and I'm going to wood burn the pattern on here. Okay. The next step I'm going to do is to clean the outside of this gourd with Formula 49. Now it is awful bright out here. But I want to get all the pencil and the carbon, the dirt, just get it all cleaned up. got the gourd back, and I did put some color on it so the girls could kind of see what it will look like. And they've all signed it, and I burned in what they wrote. So now I'm going to do the green dye on it, get it colored green, and then I'm going to need to let that dry. Now I'm going to try to fill in the grooves, and I've mixed my resin with equal parts, and now I'm adding this, they're called fire dots. I'm not sure how much to add, but we'll see how this turns out. I'm just going to mix it up really good. Because the gourd is round, I had to paint the resin into the groove. I couldn't just pour it because it would flow down the side of the gourd, which I did not want. So this was, I had to take my time, and it was a very lengthy process to get all the little patterns painted with the resin and to make sure I had a good coating. I have my butane here to pop whatever bubbles might be in the resin. So here's the finished product. You can see how the different shades of green because of the blemishes on the gourd. I love the way that happens. So the green is different colors. And the resin, how it sparkles with the fire dots. That was a new product for me. That was a lot of fun. So I hope you enjoyed this project and make it a gorgeous day every day. Until next time, bye.